Hello everyone, welcome to the third video of data science series. Today we are going to discuss the question third of part A, statistical characterization of feedback data from my internal test 1. Let's move on to the question first. Question third, approximate median from group data. In this question we are going to approximate median from group data. Now let's read the question. Suppose student lab infrastructure satisfaction scores are grouped into intervals with the following distribution. Here is the table of lab infrastructure satisfaction scores. Here on the left side is written score ranges, and on the right side of your screen is written frequency of students. You can see the range and the frequency mapped in front of each other. Now the data is grouped into class intervals. Since raw individual scores are not available, we use the group median formula. Now let's look into the group median formula, which we have in the next slide. What is group median? Now you can look the formula for group median, where L represents the lower boundary of median class, N represents the total frequency, CF represents the cumulative frequency before median class, F represents frequency of median class, and H represents class width. Now let's put the values of the tables in the given formula. For that we first need to calculate the median class. Now for calculating median class we must know what is a median class. The median class is a class in which the value of total frequency by 2 belongs. Now let's calculate the value of n by 2. Now let's see the median class. For that we have to calculate total frequency, which is 200 plus 450 plus 300 plus 1500, sum of all the values of frequencies, that is 3194, which will be divided by 2, and which gives the result as 1597. Now half of the total frequency is 1597. The median lies in the class that contains this position, so the median class. So now let's make the cumulative frequency table for understanding our median class. For constructing a cumulative frequency table, we add the current frequency to the previous frequency, the current cumulative frequency to the previous frequency. Let's see how it happens. Our cumulative frequency is 200, so cumulative frequency is 200. Now the cumulative frequency is added in the frequency, which gives us the result as 650. Again 650 cumulative frequency added to the frequency 300, which gives us the result 950, and it happens until the end, where we reach 3194 as the result. And this is how we calculate cumulative frequency, which will be used later in the formula. Now the calculation, we have the median class. As I mentioned that 1597 belongs to this class. As you can clearly see here, the frequency is 1500 and cumulative frequency is 2450, and in between that 1597 lies. So the cumulative frequency and the frequency of class 2150 is our median class, where the lower class is 21, cumulative frequency is 950, frequency is 1500, and h, which is width, is 29. Let's put the values in the formula and calculate the median. The median is therefore 33.51, which you can calculate through the formula. So now let's see what is the interpretation from this question. The median score of about 33.5 falls inside the 2150 satisfaction range, which means at least half the students rate their lab infrastructure above 33.5 on the given scale. So this is what the median class interprets in a statistical analysis. And this is our end to the third video. Thank you for watching the video, and Be connected for the fourth part. Thank you.